What's going on? Sean here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be going over some study hacks to make you a more efficient and overall better student. So if you're ready, let's get into it.
Nerf this!
So if you are finding my channel for the first time, please make sure to smash the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you won't miss a thing, because I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. With that being said, let's jump right into it. So the first hack I have for you is to organize your study space, and Lily always says this to me: a clear space equals a clear mind, and it's so true. Just when everything's so neat and organized at your desk, on your bed, in your room, wherever you're studying, even like the library table you're using, if you have stuff all over the place, your brain's gonna be scattered like that. So if you have a neat, organized setup, that's gonna help you stay organized, not only with the material in front of you, but in your mind as well. So definitely wanna stay organized and try to be as efficient as possible with laying out your study material. So number 2 is to develop a study habit that works for you. And what I mean by that is, you may be better at taking older exams or practice exams, or you may find using flashcards better, or reading the books and highlighting it as you go along, or doing a summary on the chapter you just read, or working in groups with another person. You gotta find something where you can retain the information more efficiently. So whatever strategy that is for you, that's something that you'll have to figure out. For me, it was always working in groups and using flashcards. Just when I see that flashcard, it automatically triggers my brain to see the key thing that I'm supposed to remember about that word or scenario. So my number 3 hack is to schedule study time blocks, and when you do that, the biggest important thing is to schedule time without distractions and schedule times for distractions. And what I mean by that is, take that phone that's right by your side that's going to distract you, whether you're going on social media, using the web, texting friends, whatever it is, and put it to the side. Put a timer. I did a video on the Pomodoro technique, and if you want to check it out, I'm going to link a card up right above me right now, where I dive into it a little bit deeper. But basically all it is scheduling 25 minutes of straight work, so in this case studying, and then a 5-minute break afterwards, and then followed by another 25-minute block of straight studying or working or whatever it is for you. Again, in this case, studying. So you definitely want to block out time to dive deep into your science, reading, math, history, whatever subject you're taking. So the 4th hack that I definitely recommend is to either have some snacks and drinks with you, or make sure that you're fueled up for your study session, because one, they can be in a distraction. You know, you'll want to get up, go over to the vending machine, get up, go over to Dunkin' Donuts, or if you're at a Starbucks, go order something. You definitely want to have some snacks by your side, already packed, some water, some coffee, whatever you're going to need for that study session right by your side. So it's going to limit the time away from actually studying, and it's going to keep you fueled up, ready to go, and in the moment. So you don't have to lose your place on where you were studying, where you were reading, or what you were writing down. And the final and biggest hack that I can give you, and it wouldn't be one of my videos without some mindset, right, is to go through and visualize your perfect exam day. Visualize your perfect test day. Whatever test, practical, exam, whatever you have coming up, take a moment each morning and visualize how it's going to go. What are you going to wear? What are you going to write with? Pen, blue, black? How are you feeling? What time are you reviewing your stuff? Who are you talking to that day? Is there any questions you ask before the exam? Is there any certain routine or superstition you do before that exam to ensure a really good result? So go through and just visualize the perfect exam day for you and try to execute upon that when the day actually comes. So just go through, close your eyes, again, just take 2-3 minutes, visualize how perfect that exam is going to go, how you're checking off every answer with confidence. So make sure to go through, visualize that perfect exam day, and you will ace that test. So those were just a few study hacks I have, so I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you got something out of it and you can apply it. I know it's either spring break right now or just past at the time of this video, so hopefully this can help you with your finals or any other tests coming up, or just overall getting better with the material that's been put in front of you by your teacher, professor, etc. So thanks again so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Again, my name is Sean. In each and every video, I do try to make you the best version of you. Thanks again, guys. Signing off. Lily! To see the key term. I did a video on using the So I did a video on the Pomodoro technique, which is basically I did a Pomodoro technique or on each and every version